Do you have problems with your gear wheel drive of the drying cylinder? At Wefapress, we developed the NILATEC 360 material for this application. It is resistant against high moisture, temperature and absorbs mechanical forces also after many years of application. With NYLATEC 360, you will reduce vibrations and noise. There is no need of lubrication anymore, and the maintenance will be much easier as the plastic segments can get mounted very easy while the metal rim stays in position. We also make the construction work and supply you the complete solution ready to install. Contact us now for more information and to discuss your individual project.